like a relay race. When I run up in the spot, bitches know they place. Slide on a nigga, I'ma need my skates. Social distance, I'ma need my space. I done did it, I won with it. I made peace with my...
I literally just got home from school. I'm very, very aggravated. I'm hungry. And I got my package. This is the gel lamp I ordered because I'm going to be doing my pedicures at home from now on. Yeah. Because I feel like the designs I want, when I ask them, they struggle. They don't know how to do it. And like I like a lot of rhinestones and gems, so that can get quite expensive. So I'm like, let me just invest on the kit with the gel lamp and different stuff like that. So that is what this is. This is the lamp. It's a Beatles gel polish lamp, all-in-one manicure kit. Go ahead and open this up. This is what it looks like when you first open it. It comes with a instruction manual, of course, and it comes with supplies to do the pedicure, manicure. Some toe separators, a file, a brush, another file, some, I think it's for your cuticles, and a nail clipper, and also a cuticle pusher. Ooh, this one's nice, actually. I have a few. I really like that one. And basically, this is just another instruction manual letting you know how to use the polish and different things like that. Which I feel like I basically know everything, like what to do for the most part. But of course, I'm going to read this just so I can get a better understanding. They got the battery pack. Oh, these are the polishes that it came with. So the colors, they're all pinks and nudes. And yeah, I'm not sure if these are the matte ones or the shiny ones, because it did come with 2 types of polishes, and I think it came with 12 in all. So I'm not totally sure. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's so thick. That's really cute. I'm excited. I can't wait to use them. This is the top coat and the base cuticle oil, which is cute. Basically, everything comes together, which I really like. And then this is a lamp. This is the inside. So basically, it's just a standard gel lamp with 30, 60, and 120 second marks on it. So I also picked up these really cute gems to go on my toes, because remember I told you guys that I like a lot of rhinestones and stuff. That's why my toes be getting expensive and my nails. So it came with 9 trays, and they're all different types of accessories. It also came with these tools so you can pick the gems up. Okay, so the first ones are just normal, like rhinestone in every size and like color and different stuff like that. So I think this is super cute. This one, I think it's geometric shapes. I'm not sure if it has a hook on it. Oh no, so it's just the ones that you like cure down with the gel. Oh, this is cute. Triangles, circles, squares, crosses. Oh, these are just traditional rhinestones in different sizes, just the silver ones. What is this? Oh, these are so cute. These like the sun and the moon and the stars. And then this is the Star of David over here. Oh, is this a crescent? This is so cool. Oh, daddy, look. And they're hard too. Next time I have to get the grass. Okay. Oh, so these are petals in like holographic colors. This is really cute. But I feel like it would be hard making a petal. I mean, making a flower. Oh my gosh. So these are different shapes, just in a different like metal tone. But these have seashells and feathers and starfish. Oh my god, these are cute. And I'm doing a beach set for my nails, so I think I'm gonna use starfish. That's so cute. And these are my favorite. I love pearls, and these are pearls in every different kind of color. Like, this is so cute. This is usually a pearl set. Oh my gosh, look at this movie. That's my favorite. These are so cute. And last but not least is, what are these? The different circles. And the top is rhinestones, the bottom is like different circles. I don't know, they're cute though. But this would be one that I like use at least. But yeah, I got all. Oh, this isn't even the last one. This is the last one. It was making a mess on my bed, so I gotta put it back on the plastic. But these are the flakes, the gold flakes. So yeah, they're pretty cute. But obviously, since it's so messy, I'm not gonna use it a lot. And I got all 9 of these trays for only $10 on Amazon. So make sure you check out the description for the link.
They need me to go, but I don't want to leave. Rest in peace, Lil Keith. Fuck a pigeonhole, I'm a night owl, it's a different mode. I'ma have to make a paint of 6 on a pinky toe. Heard you with a shooting guard, just let a nigga know. I would have you court side, not the middle row. All good love in a minute though. I can't stress about no bitch cause I'm a timid soul. Plus I'm cooking up ambition on the kitchen stove. Pot start to bubble, see the suds, that shit good to go. Whole Sam Suave, but I can't get recalled. Bro, think he John Wayne. I bought them yellow stones, love the way they hang, babe. For the silicone, everybody fake now. You could crack the code, bust down everything. Set in rose gold, Dread talking to you niggas like I'm J. Cole. I could tell her head good before I even know. Bitch, don't tell me that you model if you ain't been in vogue. Gotta throw a party for my day ones. They ain't in the studio, but they'll lay some. Rest in peace to Drama King. We was straight stunned. Y'all don't like the way I talk, niggas say something. Gotta throw a party for my day ones. Pull up and you know it's us, the bass jump. Y'all don't like the way I talk and say something.
Bad bitches in a match. Wrist on Millie, rock them diamonds on me dance. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a Plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex bitch. Took a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got you trying not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches saw me, they can't stand. Flexing on that bitch, hold up, flexing on that bitch. Bought a necklace on that bitch, told her, her friend gon' lick me like a fool. Roll up. She and her feelings on the ground.
21, flexing on that bitch, hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch, hold up. No way, I ain't stressing about that bitch, hold up. 21, go get the stick, hold up.
Hold up, bitch, I like to ball. Hold up, without no weedy ball. Hold up, bitch, I spit your rent inside the mall. Told her, she got a nigga, but he broke, she lost.
At this private location, hold up, put her back in rotation, hold up, bitches on me imitation, hold up, going.
So I had to do a new ankle because it was a brand new day. And as you guys can tell, this ankle is fucking horrible. Like, it's awful. It was at the very end of the frame, and this is the only piece I got of me doing the French tip and me putting on the gems and the pearls. That was completely out of frame. I'm very aggravated. Obviously, I'm not gonna pop the gems off and re-record. So basically, to do the French tip, I just drew a line with the small brush and filled it in with the paintbrush of the nail polish, and then I just cleaned it up with alcohol and a Q-tip. And to stick the gems on, I actually used super glue, and then I put the top coat on top of everything and cured it. And this is the finished result. I hope you guys like it, and I'm really, really sorry about the bad angles at the end.